In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulb socket on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to take these two screws out, use a T25 socket. Take those two bolts out, grab the lens, and you want to just pull it towards the back of the vehicle. And just grab the socket on the bottom, twist, it slides right out. You can push down on the button, and pull the socket out. Just take the bulb, just grab it, it slides right out. Take the 921 bulb, line it up in the socket, lock it in place. And we can slide the socket into the bottom of the light assembly, twist to the right, take the connector, line it up, lock it down, line this up, push it in, take the bolts, get those started. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.